After a joint replacement procedure, you have an increased risk of developing a blood clot. That risk is greatest for the first 6 weeks after surgery, so we're going to use some different techniques to help reduce that blood clot risk. First of all, we're going to use what are called TED hose. These are knee-high compression socks that will provide graduated compression to your lower legs and improve your circulation. In addition to those, we will also use another tool known as a sequential compression sleeve, or an SCD. It fits around your calf and plugs into a pump at the foot of your bed. The air cells will inflate and massage your legs. It helps improve your circulation following surgery when you're not up walking. Ambulation is the best prevention for a blood clot. So that's a big reason that we try to get you up and get you walking right after surgery. Once you discharge home, please get up and walk for at least 10 minutes every hour during daylight waking hours. It does not have to be strenuous activity, we just need you to be up and be mobile. In addition to mobilization, sequential compression, TED hose, we will also use medications to help thin your blood. Typically, our physicians will send you home on an aspirin either once or twice a day for the first 6 weeks after surgery. For patients with a higher than usual blood clot risk, we may use a stronger medicine known as Eliquis.